Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about the how to solve the series related question. So this is our first question. How many data structures available in pandas? So mainly two data structures available, series or data series and data frame. One more is there, that is called panel. So you may be asked the question that which one of the, and one more, suppose somebody has given a question, these three are given and one more dictionary is given. Which one of the following is not a pandas data structure? So you will take the dictionary is not the data structure of pandas. This is built-in data type. This is built-in data structure, built-in data type or data structure. Right. So this is the answer will be dictionary. So mainly three are there, two are in your course, one is not there. Data structure and data frame. And third one is panel. So these are three important data structure in the pandas. So answer is data series, data frame and panel. If dictionary or something else is given, that will not be your answer. Right. So our next question is, write the import statement for pandas. Now this is the correct import statement. Import, this is import is a keyword. You may be asked question, what is import? Import is a keyword. And pandas is a library name, and as is keyword again, keyword, and pd is the alias name for the this particular library. Pandas library's alias name is given here. So correct sentence is import. Sometimes you may be given the statement import pandas only, then you have to refer only pandas, not pd. Pd we have given for our convenience, that is duplicate name or alias name for this particular library. So correct statement is import pandas as pd. Suppose we want to import math library, import math as m we will write. So this is the correct answer. Right. Next question is, difference between the list and series. You know lists are enclosed in bracket, square brackets, list. Series, now series is are enclosed in this parenthesis. Now list is a built-in data type. List is what and series is what? This is built-in data type. This is pandas data structure. So this is one difference. List plus something list, you cannot apply arithmetic operator with the list. Arithmetic operator list plus 2 you cannot write, but you can write series with 2. So this is this will add 2 to each element. This will not add 2 to each element. This will give error. So now here these are the some differences. List, one more difference is there. List you cannot, what? List index is immutable. Index is immutable. Series index are mutable. You can change the index of the series, means this 1 2 3 you can change a b c, but if the elements are given in the list, the index will always remain same. This will be always 0, this will be always 1, this will be always 2. Okay, but in series you can give your own index 213 100 200 300. This is one more difference. So here you see S2 is a series name, pd dot series is the pd is alias name, series is the function. So we have given one list. This will be the index. This hello will have index 2, 10 will have index 1, and true will index have. So now you see it, different types of data are given. 2 is hello, 3 is given 10. 2 is in 2 index is having value. 2 index is having value hello, 1 index is having value 10, 3 index is having value 0. So these are the values. Now next question you see, create a series which contains name of persons. So you see these are the names of person. First name, this will have 0 index, this will have 1 index, this will have 2. So PD dot series is a function. PD dot series. What we have given argument to series, we have given a list of names. So here we have given the list of names. So this will have index 0. So output will be 0, 1, 2. These are the index, and values will be name. Suman, Ravi, Swati. This will be the output of this particular statement. This will be the output for this. Here you may be given some questions that what question you may have. What is the question given? This particular let us say series is hidden, and question is given, fill in the blanks. So you have to write series. S is capital. You may have 4 options: S capital series, S small series, series dot PDs. You may have option series SRE, series dot PD. It is difficult to write with, and one is given PD dot series. Small, this S is small. So what will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be PD dot series inside bracket list of elements. So this will be the correct answer. So we have discussed 3 questions on the basis of this one question. Next question is 5 question. Create a series which contains 5 numbers and alphabet as index. So see, these are the 5 numbers. These are values of this series. Values of series. These are the indexes. But such a type of index we cannot give for list. List will always have numeric index starting from 0, 1, 2. This is for list, and so on. So the output of this S will be, if we print S, then we will get the output what? 1, 2, sorry, A, B, C, D, E. These will be indexes, and values will be, A will have value 1, B will have 2, C will have 3, D will have 4, and E will have 5. So these are our questions. Thank you for watching this video, and we will come with 5 more questions in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.